Hello Nursery, it's Mrs. Smith and I'm going to be doing an activity with you today. I thought it would be quite fun to make a rocket. Now you can do whatever size rocket you like. I'm going to do with you today a small rocket and I've chosen to use a toilet roll tube. So this is what's inside your toilet roll. So save it up, and if you haven't got one of those you can do what I've done, which is to use the inner tube of my kitchen roll. So this is a finished rocket. This is what I've done with my inner tube of my kitchen roll. Okay, now the first thing you will need to do is to get all your bits and pieces together. So you will need sellotape, you will need some felt tip pens, you will need scissors, you will need some cardboard, and you'll need like a milk bottle top, and then you'll need a bigger circle. Now I've just used this because it happens to be bigger, but this is a cream, but you can use whatever you've got, maybe a jam jar lid, and use that to do a bigger circle for later. Now the first thing you'll need to do is to put your milk bottle top on your tube, hold it down and draw a circle round it like this, and then you will have a circle. Now I've chosen to draw myself waving to all of Nursery as I shoot off into space, which is quite fun. But you can draw whatever you like. You can draw your adult that's at home, you can draw your dog if you've got a dog, or a cat. You can draw whatever you like in your little porthole. All right, the next thing you need to do is to colour in your rocket. Now I've chosen to do stripes, but you can do whatever you like. You don't have to do stripes, you can do it all plain like I did with my bigger one. I just made a red rocket with that one, but you will just need to colour it in whichever way you like. I've chosen to do stripes. Now the next thing you've done, once you've done that, is on the side of your tube, either side of your porthole, you will need to make two little slits with your scissors. So maybe ask your adult if you're a bit worried about this bit, but if not, I think you can do it because you're very good with scissors. So just go in like this and cut a little way up, not too far up, just a little way up on either side. Okay, make two little slits in the edges of your tube. Now the next thing you will need to do is to get your cardboard, and you will need to draw a big circle with your cardboard. So that's what I use this for, to draw a circle in my cardboard. And then when you've drawn your circle, cut in to the middle of the circle just once, and then overlap it and sellotape it down like this. So it makes what looks like a little hat. Then your adult might need to help you with this bit. You'll need to get bits of sellotape, and you'll need to roll them into a ball and stick them onto your circle like that. And then this is going to make the lid of your rocket. All you do once you've put your sellotape on is you squish it onto the top of your rocket, and there's your rocket lid. The next thing you'll need to do is to cut two triangles from your cardboard. And again, at the top of your triangle, actually I'll do it that way, and you can see you need to cut a little slit down. And then in the slits that you've made either side of your tube, you thread up your triangle, and then this will be the edge of your rocket. So, ta-da! You have your rocket. And you can blast off to space, and you can do a countdown, and it will be great fun. Now I look very forward to seeing what you can come up with your rockets, and please ask your adult to post it on Tapestry so that I can see how you've made your rockets and what you've done. So I look forward to seeing your rockets, Nursery. Take care and see you soon. Bye.